Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of countries with zero income tax. Imagine, no more chunks of your hard-earned salary disappearing every month. Sounds like a dream, right? We'll be exploring how these countries thrive without relying on personal income tax, and more importantly, if this is a model that India could ever adopt. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through sun-kissed islands, glittering cities, and economic marvels. Could this be the future for India? Let's find out. Our first stop is the United Arab Emirates, a land of shimmering skyscrapers and boundless ambition. Now imagine this. You land your dream job in Dubai. The salary is fantastic, and the best part, you don't have to pay a single dirham in personal income tax. That's right, the UAE operates on a zero personal income tax policy. No income tax, no capital gains tax, no inheritance tax. It sounds too good to be true, right? So, how does this desert nation thrive without this seemingly crucial revenue stream? The answer lies in its diverse economy. The UAE has cleverly leveraged its oil wealth to fuel growth in other sectors like tourism, real estate, and finance. From the iconic Burj Khalifa to man-made islands, the UAE attracts investors and tourists alike. And let's not forget the 5% VAT on goods and services, a significant contributor to government coffers. But it's not all sunshine and tax-free living. Certain sectors, like banking and oil companies, do face corporate taxes. The UAE's model is a delicate balancing act, demonstrating that economic diversification is key when foregoing personal income tax. Could this be a model for India? We'll delve deeper into that later. But first, let's journey to another zero-tax paradise. Next, we set sail for Bermuda, a jewel in the Atlantic known for its pink sand beaches and, you guessed it, its tax-friendly policies. Picture yourself living in a pastel-colored cottage, the turquoise ocean breeze whispering through your hair, and the sweet relief of knowing you don't owe the government a slice of your income. Bermuda has long been a haven for businesses and individuals seeking refuge from hefty taxes. No income tax, no capital gains, and no VAT. Sounds idyllic, doesn't it? But how does this island paradise sustain itself? Bermuda's government has cleverly crafted alternative revenue streams. Payroll tax, property taxes, and business-related taxes form the backbone of their fiscal system. Tourism, a cornerstone of the Bermudian economy, brings in a steady flow of revenue, as do international business and the insurance industry. The island nation has strategically positioned itself as a global hub for these sectors, attracting companies and individuals with its tax advantages. However, living in paradise comes at a price. The cost of living in Bermuda is notoriously high, with essentials like groceries and housing demanding a premium. Bermuda's model highlights the importance of niche industries and a strategic economic focus in the absence of personal income tax. Chapter 3. Monaco, where glamour meets tax relief. Fasten your seatbelts as we jet set to Monaco, a playground for the rich and famous, nestled on the French Riviera. Imagine strolling along the Monte Carlo harbor, a gentle sea breeze carrying the scent of salt and expensive perfume, knowing that your hard-earned euros are all yours. Monaco is renowned for its luxurious lifestyle and its even more luxurious tax policies. No personal income tax for residents means more money to indulge in the finer things in life. But hold on, there's a catch. This tax haven has a few caveats. While Monegasque citizens enjoy complete tax freedom, French nationals residing in Monaco still fall under the French tax system. And for businesses generating over 500,000 euros in revenue, corporate taxes kick in. So how does this tiny principality maintain its glitz and glamour without relying heavily on personal income tax? Tourism is the lifeblood of Monaco. From the Monaco Grand Prix to its opulent casinos, the world flocks to experience a taste of its extravagance. Real estate, a sector synonymous with Monaco, brings in significant revenue, with property prices reaching astronomical heights. Add to that a thriving banking sector, and you have a recipe for a self-sustaining economy. Monaco's model showcases how catering to a specific demographic and leveraging luxury tourism can offset the need for personal income tax. Chapter 4. Cayman Islands, financial hub in the sun. Our next destination is the Cayman Islands, a trio of islands in the Caribbean, famed for their pristine beaches and, you guessed it, their tax-neutral status. Imagine diving in crystal-clear waters, colorful fish darting around you, and the weight of income tax a distant memory. The Cayman Islands have carved a niche as a global financial hub, attracting businesses and individuals seeking a tax-efficient haven. No income tax, no capital gains tax, and no inheritance tax make it an attractive proposition. But how do these islands sustain their economy without relying on the usual suspect personal income tax? Instead of taxing its residents' income, the Cayman Islands government generates revenue through alternative channels. Business licensing fees, particularly from the financial services industry, form a significant chunk of their income. Import duties on goods entering the islands provide another revenue stream, as do work permits required for non-residents. The economy thrives on a trifecta of financial services, tourism, and real estate. However, this reliance on foreign investment and offshore activities makes the islands vulnerable to global economic fluctuations. The Cayman Islands demonstrate how a strategic focus on specific sectors, coupled with alternative revenue streams, can compensate for the absence of personal income tax. Chapter 5. The Bahamas. Paradise found, taxes not found. Our final stop takes us to the Bahamas, an archipelago of over 700 islands, boasting powdery white sand beaches and crystal-clear waters. Imagine yourself lounging on a hammock, a tropical drink in hand, the gentle sound of waves lapping at the shore, and the blissful realization that you're in a personal income tax-free zone. The Bahamas has positioned itself as a prime destination for those seeking a break from the taxman. No personal income tax, no corporate income tax, and no capital gains tax have cemented its status as a tax haven. But how does this island nation keep its economy afloat without relying on direct income tax? The answer lies in its strategic implementation of indirect taxes. The government raises revenue through VAT, levied on goods and services, and import duties on products entering the country. Tourism, the crown jewel of the Bahamian economy, contributes significantly to the nation's coffers. Offshore banking and financial services, attracted by the favorable tax environment, provide another layer of revenue. However, the heavy reliance on tourism makes the Bahamas susceptible to global events that impact travel. The Bahamas exemplifies how a combination of indirect taxation and a thriving tourism industry can create a viable economic model in the absence of personal income tax. India's zero-tax future, a dream or reality? So, we've journeyed through 5 unique countries, each demonstrating that a zero-income tax model, while unconventional, can be successful. From leveraging oil wealth to attracting high-net-worth individuals, these nations have found their own paths to economic sustainability. But the question remains, could India, with its diverse population and developmental needs, ever adopt such a system? The answer is complex and requires careful consideration of India's unique socio-economic landscape. While a complete eradication of income tax might seem far-fetched, there are valuable lessons to be learned from these zero-tax havens. Diversifying the economy, promoting tourism, and attracting foreign investment are crucial steps. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Let us know in the comments what you think about India adopting a zero-income tax system. See you next time.